joining us this morning from Day Night Signs is Mr. Tim. Tim, good morning.
Good morning. This is Tim. How are you?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
I'm doing terrific.
We really appreciate your sponsorship here with this great event, and I thought folks might want to know a little bit more about Day Night Signs. I know if you drive up 71 just south of Columbus, you can't miss your sign on the left-hand side there, but tell us a little bit about the Day Night Signs.
Well, absolutely. That's the goal. We don't want you to miss our sign, whatever you do. Day Night's been around for 60 years here in Central Ohio, and we have the great opportunity to work on huge, interesting projects, things like Huntington Park, COSI, the electronic message boards down at Broad and High Street, Columbus Zoo. We've done a lot of big projects, and we're honored to do that. But what drives the folks at Day Night Sign Company is when someone's wanting to start a business, we get to get involved with their brand and their signage and really help them launch something that is very exciting to me to see somebody put themselves out there, take the risk to start a business, and we're right there to help them.
You know, Tim, if someone is starting a business or has an existing business, let's say, and looking to upgrade their signage, looking at their new logos and that, I'm assuming that you folks can help to design, help to create those, or they don't have to go somewhere else, right? You offer all that service.
Absolutely. We've got a terrific group of designers at our facility. We've got our sign design consultants that'll work directly with the business owner or the organization and really look at giving them an awesome sign. One of the things we know is that 50% of all new traffic to a business comes from them recognizing their sign and seeing it and being attracted into it. So we put a lot of focus and a lot of design work into those signs to make them work for them.
Are there new trends in street signs as far as, you know, looking at the LEDs and things like that? Any new trends there that we're seeing?
Absolutely. LEDs have really taken over as far as the primary lighting source, but the thing that we've seen lately that's really pretty awesome is a retro movement where we're trying to take back those great signs that we saw when we were younger, and people are trying to mimic those. We did a sign for Big Bar down on campus, and it's a beautiful sign. It incorporates LEDs, incorporates neon, and it's just a really great look, and we're seeing a lot more of that, and it's really a lot of fun. Signage is such a great art form, and it serves such an awesome purpose that it really is exciting for our team every day to be able to see what kind of projects we can get involved with.
I was going to say, it's probably a lot of fun for your folks that I'm sure they consider themselves artists to sit down and develop some of these signs, realizing, like you said, you know, it gets our attention. And like I said at the beginning, you know, you can't miss your sign going up 71 for the Day Night sign. It's unbelievable. I do want to thank you so much for being a part of the sponsorship here for this great event. I just can't say thank you enough.
Well, I appreciate it. I'm very excited to be a part of it. I have a personal connection to this issue, and I have a grandfather that unfortunately got affected by Alzheimer's, and it was such a sad way for him to wrap up his life. The quality of life went down so bad, but even more so, the family around him really had to go through that with him in a sense that you lose the person that you've loved and you've known, and you lose them, and yet they're still there. And anything that can be done to improve the quality of life for someone and avoid the Alzheimer's is a huge thing in my mind.
And, you know, I think the other thing you mentioned there, and I know Joel was talking about this earlier, that you folks, the caregivers as well, you know, taking care of those folks through those periods of time, it's horrible, and I'm going to tell a few stories, and I think when we think about it, you've had family members or friends that have been affected by this, and it's just, it's absolutely devastating to the family, and it's such a shame to see that, like your grandfather, some great times that you had with him, and all of a sudden he's not there anymore, but he is, but he's not.
That's right, it really is, and if through this research we can allow some people to have quality of life to the end, that would be huge.
Really huge. So let's put a challenge out to all of your customers from Day Night Signs that, you know, Tim's here. Let's put a challenge out to all your customers out there that you worked with over the years to call. And again, the number is 800-610-WTVN, and make a donation and back up Tim when he's talking about here in Day Night Signs. If they've done a good job for you, call in, make a donation. Again, 800-610-WTVN. Tim, I appreciate, again, the sponsorship and hearing your story here this morning. And keep up the great work with the signs.
Thanks so much.
All right. Let's take